Here. Okay, so we have started our first vlog and we decided to take a trip to nowhere. I decided to take a trip to Mysore Road, which is basically south. Oh, we are on the wrong floor. Sorry. Yes, it is Watch Me Whip, Watch Me Nene. So another revelation of our trip is that we had actually decided we'll set out at 4 and it's about 8:30 right now. So we are 4 hours late into this, but it's okay because we somehow managed to at least wake up and go. So we are on the nice road right now and we are driving. This road is absolutely brilliant and Anisha's trying out photography skills. I think this was cut through mountains and oh, I can see a mountain range finally. So I think more than any journey, I think our destination currently is that South Indian restaurant. I don't even know what it's called. I think it's somewhere near Channapatna or because it has those wooden toys. So, okay, we've still not found a South Indian cafe and I'm a little worried now that we either might have passed it or it might not have been this road after all. I've given up hope on that South Indian restaurant. I feel sad, but I'm still hoping that maybe we'll find something. Yeah, it's a lamest song, but we had done a small little performance for Urvi. I don't know if she has the video still with her. This is Psycho, but I found the place. It's called Kamath. Anisha, why don't you hold this? Okay, I did not. I forgot that it was called Kamath. For some reason thought that I have messed up and I couldn't find the place, but we did. Pretty nice. Okay, so you all should check this out. This is so pretty. I think I have found this the prettiest packing ever. This is Mudde Idli or Mure Idli according to Anisha. There's one small little pin that is attached here and this sort of antrak. Just look at these. Adorable little stuff. I think Anisha might probably buy one of those. What is this material called? Jute? No. Cane? No. Straw? No. Whatever. I actually really like this. What is that? Organic water cooler. Thomas Handicraft store and he is a gentleman that actually makes all the stuff and I'm so impressed. Yes. So have a look at these guys. This is so pretty. I was so tempted. So he just told me about these caps where you're supposed to sprinkle water on it.
Yeah, it's summer, no?
It's summer, so just sprinkle water.
Just sprinkle some water and where it keeps the head cool also.
How cool! I think you guys should definitely come and meet Mr. Mahesh when y'all come here. Okay, so this is our first detour to this place called Kanwa Reservoir. I asked a couple of kids there. There were some very cute kids there. And they were like, straight madam, straight. It's Kanwa Reservoir. Wait, let me just give you a better focus. It just keeps stretching ahead for almost 8 kilometers. And this side as well. Is this chana? There's cucumber also. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, so there is cucumbers and there is chana. There's roasted groundnut. Both of us are major chai fanatics and now because the weather is very rainy, I was thinking if we can go find some chai. There is a place where it looks like we can probably get chai. Oh wow, we have chai. This is wonderful. Okay, so we've got a chai and we are... This is like, I think this is the best moment for us because we pretty much live for chai. We keep posting on each other's Facebook walls that we'll get each other chai infusers. That's how much we love chai. Is that random music from inside our car? Yeah. So it's officially started raining and now the weather looks just so gorgeous. We went to an extremely obscure location which I don't know where it led to. Okay, so we decided to come have lunch here at Rasta. Because it was raining, we decided the Rasta could be... Uh-oh, my car stopped. 1 second. Oopsies. So because it was raining and we are beginning to get slightly hungry, I thought that Rasta could be our final stop before we head back home. Unless we end up finding some cooler place. Rasta Cafe is one of those places where I think me, having lived in Bangalore for the past 5 years, have never come here even once. I think everyone apart from me has been to Rasta Cafe. You've also been to Rasta Cafe? Okay, so she's also one of those people. But to be fair, she's stayed in Bangalore for just 3 years. 3 years. So it's not less, but it's not all that bad. There are a lot of people keep going to Rasta Cafe as their weekend getaways. But I'm pretty hungry. So Rasta Cafe final stop. We are walking off to Rasta Cafe right now. This place is actually very pretty. I wonder why we've not been to this place ever before. We are, that's true. There's no doubt about it. So I'll someday show you how our house looks, and that's when you'll realize that there is a reason why we are so lazy. We just extremely lazy. Quick view of how this cafe looks. It looks really pretty. I won't probably take too much. It looks like quite a lot of people out here. Okay guys, you should check out this woman loo. It's pretty funny. I really like the way Rasta Cafe looks. It's very ambient. And it has surprisingly a lot of people despite it being a Sunday afternoon, or maybe Sunday afternoon is the time where most people come.